Good morning! What's your girl? Ang aming cabin crew! Oh my!
Takot na takot.
Pang YouTube to girl, or
takot na takot makita.
Ayan ang aming cabin crew, ang mini cabin crew namin. On our way to Clark International Airport. Muulan.
Premier Airport Development. Kaya pala lipad.
Okay.
Oh, nagawan nila ng mini lipad. Lipad. Well, that's nice.
Ina-extend na nila.
Charge.
Malaki to.
Hey, brother. No. Bro, come on.
Halika na. Huwag mo na yan, pabayaan mo na. Ay, alis, ayun ng mama. Ayun o. Ayun! Sige, doon ko kayo tita Kiki.
Ha? Ay, yung ganito. Ayaw nila eh.
Kasama po ba? Dahil lang po.
Eh, doon pa. Domestic. Oh, yung mountain! Ito na yung video. Yung mountain, oh! Yung mountain! Yung mountain! Uy! Tapos, ito yung senior. Ma! Tapos, yung tatlo, maiwan ko yan.
Ayun yung pumasok, pabayaan mo.
Check na tayo. Thank you, kuya.
Bahala kayo dyan.
Abangan nyo na lang doon. Abangan nyo na lang doon. Mami. Huwag ka mag-picture, oh. Ikaw, ako nag-picture. Kasi from the first time mo sa airport. Dito lang. Huwag ka na paka-information. Almost ka na maganda. 1, 2, 3. Nasaan yung shades mo ba dito sa? Hindi, kasi ang bagal-bagal.
Hindi nga iniiwan sabi ko yan. Madya!
Hey, ako na! Madya!
Bro.
Punta ka na doon, pabayaan mo siya. Para maiwan niya. Sige, bahala ka. Iwan ka.
Tignan mo ito! Oh, wow! Tampal ako.
Alam mo, si Kuya taguan natin.
Papatay mo muna. Ito. Yan.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe.
Ayan, we're here na sa aming hotel, Commander Suites in Boracay. Ayan, Commander Suites de Boracay. Ngayon yung pool, gusto nila mag-swimming, pero feeling ko mag-swimming.
Pero may CR kayo na.
Pwede mo pala mag-workout.
1:30 daw.
Paano tayo maliligo?
CR, ano yun?
Pwedeng maligo, ganon.
Kasi tayo lang kami. Ano yun? 30?
Check-in.
Tagal na.
Hi everyone! So, I'm here to discuss again about the Atomic Credit Card because there are a lot of people who's been asking me, nagko-comment sa mga post ko about sa Atomic Credit Card. And yes, napakadali lang applyan nitong Atomic Card na ito. Kasi you don't have to send or you don't have to submit any proof of income or ITR. Basta fill out nyo lang yung form online. So, meron akong link dito sa description box. Just click that link and then apply online, and in minutes, you'll get to see if na-approve na ang inyong credit card application or not. And kapag na-approve ang inyong credit card application, ay ma-receive ninyo ang physical card gaya nito within a week or less than a week. So, ganun ko na-receive itong aking Atomic Credit Card na physical card. So, dalawa yung makikita ninyo sa app. You just have to download the Atomic app using your phone, and makikita ninyo, pipili rin kayo kung ano yung gusto nyong color. So, meron silang tatlong color, itong white or platinum, I think. Meron ding pink and merong black. Si Papa ang kinuha niya ay yung color black. And then, you can definitely tap it. You can use it anywhere. You can use it sa grocery, kapag magpapagas kayo. And we were able to use it as well sa Japan. So, sa mga small purchases namin noon sa Japan, we were able to use our Atomic cards as well. And madali lang din siyang bayaran. You can pay via InstaPay or you can also pay via GCash. Real-time din siya madededuct sa account ninyo kapag kayo ay nag-swipe or nag-tap nitong card. Because once you use your card and it's got approved or it was processed, makaka-receive kayo ng email real-time at real-time din mababawas yung available spending credit limit ninyo sa inyong app. Ayan. So, apply na kayo ng Atomic Credit Card. Just click on the link at the description box. And, yun. May credit card ka na. Ayan. Pupunta na kami ngayon ng beachfront. Kaya lang maulan. At saka anong namin, weather.
Oh, that's nice.
Wait lang, maybe. Huwag na mag-emoji, girl. Hi! Hi! Wow! Ayan, so maglalakad tayo papunta sa beachfront. Ayan, tingnan natin ano kaya. Hihingi lang kami ng towel kasi pwedeng, may free towels, pwedeng dalhin sa beach. Ayan, wait lang.
Ama, hindi naman highway yan.
Oh.
Di ba baka madapa kayo? Sedap. Ako pupunta.
Oh, hawakan kita.
Easy peasy.
Alalayan ko to.
Huwag ka mag-flash.
O yun, halika. Alalayan kita.
Pwede na kiss.
Oo. Doon tayo.
Okay.
Beachfront. Oo, beachfront yan kasi isang buo yan.
Te, maghuhugas din kayo ng paa dun mamaya.
Uy, magbe-beach din kayo. Okay lang.
Okay.
Huwag ka na umakpang.
O, dito si Orion. May mama baka madalas sa dandan.
Kaya nga, dito ko na lang mo kasi baka malagdag ka.
Dandan ka yung malaga to.
Uy.
Oh, dandan na yun. Baka. Vlog.
Milo. Milo.
Ano? Yun yung video mo yung banda. Hindi yung vlog.
Milo.
Hayaan mo siya. Aray, puta, may ano? Shit, ang sakit. May ang sakit. Umano sa akin.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now they're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's so much. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. Let me up, so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories, so let's start listening. Let the rain wash away the tears that keeps crippling. Now they're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's so much. Don't let
Yan guys, night swimming. Kasi hindi na pwedeng mag-swimming sa beach. Madilim na. So, dito muna kami. Sa pool. Kaya mo, Orion. Tingnan mo muna sa tiyo. Baka hindi niya kaya. Baka lumusot yan. Yan. Si Gianna at si Mama nasa taas na. Doon yung room namin.
I'm done.
Second floor. Dito mo naman. Swimming pa ako eh.
Now they're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's so much. Don't let me down.
Ah, balik ka na dito.
chest right in the morning.